Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today it will be something pretty much different. Yes, it's not a gaming video, those shitty videos I usually do. It's worse than that. It's a commentary video. Yes, I know, shocking. Today I'll be talking about Discord and how a multi-billionaire company, yes, they have a net worth of 2.5 billion. I checked it, double checked it, still cannot make a secure sign-up process. You might think, what is so secure about, signing up? Well, it's not very well against, spammers. For example, you see those raiders on Discord and you might think to yourself, wow, how do they create 20 accounts? Do they have 20 friends? Most of the time, no, it's not just 20 friends. It's just a person creating an account and basically putting a bot into it, putting a script, and they raid the server. So firstly, what they actually do, right, let's go to the sign-up process, create an account, right? They needed email, username, password, date of birth, and all that crap. The thing about the email part is, number one, it does have to be your email. You can choose any email you want and they're gonna send you a verification instantly, but you don't have to verify the account instantly. That technically means you can create an account, don't verify, use it for like 24 hours before they lock your account for you to forcefully verify it. You can raid a server, you can put a script on, you can scam a person, etc., and then delete the account before 24 hours, before your account get locked. And then you can do something again. This does not work for every account, obviously, because for every Discord server, because if we go to a Discord server like Chillax Nation, my server, which is dead, I know, last message sent was like 10 years ago, you can go to server settings, you can go to moderation and enable low moderation, which will give you an option for non-verified email users not to go on your Discord server. And you can also put this one on if you're not a community server, but obviously I'm a community server. That's like one thing you can do. Or second thing, if you don't want to have those sketchy DMs from people scamming you, you can go to privacy and settings and basically keep me safe, scan direct message from everyone, etc. But this does not work for everyone, for every server, for every member. So I'm going to tell you how they actually do this. Well, most of the people anyways. You can go on discord.com/register, and I am not teaching you guys how to do it, I'm just showing you what people are doing before people go maniac and say, no, stop teaching us, stop persuading people to do it. I'm not, I'm just showing you how broken Discord is. Well, not really broken. Basically, go to email, you can have something like this, and I bet you that email is already taken. You can put that email, a username of potato, I don't know if that's not been taken, 123, and then a random password, right? You can do that. Select a date of death, date of birth. You can do it to I don't know, 1999, confirm, just wait a bit, I am a human, you verify, and then afterwards it should redirect you to Discord. Boom, done. That's how easy it is. Now you have full access to this Discord account. If you go to user settings, go to my account, you can see I am using this guy's email address. I'm sorry if it's your email address, but I don't really care. I will delete this anyways. Yes, you do need to verify your email, but you can actually still join servers. You can't join servers like mine because, well, the simple thing of it is mine is, protected from these type of raiders. For example, I can just go to add server, join a server, right? No, I'm on the server. We see, complete, I submit. You see, I need to verify my email, but some servers, that thing does not work. Look, I got a perfect example. Might Office Nitro giveaway, right? You can join the server if you want, I don't care. But if you join the server, right, just randomly join it. I am able to type in, I can do anything I want. Anything. My mom's gonna leave the server. This is an amazing way to basically do ban invasions, raid, scam, all that crap. And you might think, oh well, it's only one account. Yes, you are right. For example, if I log out and try to create another account, for example, I can go for another email, go for this. I'm this sure that it's not going to work, that I'm actually just going to put it to 1995 or whatever. But you see, you are being rate limited. Yes, there are protection against creating more accounts. But for someone who knows more tools, for example, even a VPN can just easily bypass this. Let's just close the web page, go here, for example, a VPN plugin, right? Let's change the server to, I don't know, France, right? Let's go on France, connect to France servers. I can prove this I'm on France, for example, my IP address. We can go down here. What's my IP address? Boom, I am now in France, France. Go to discord.com. go to login, register, put something else. This email's probably already taken. Put a different username, a different password. Do all these things. This is how fast it is to actually create an account. I am a human, just verify. And then in the end, boom, you have access to Discord. Boom, there we are. We have bypassed an easy defense for the sign up. I don't actually know the correct way of, calling it. Boom, I got access to this account again. I can DM somebody right now, scam them, and then I can just delete the account. And the most important thing, right, if this account is linked to any other accounts, right, they can, I don't even know if Discord does IP bans, but they can actually, they probably do, but you can just get banned. I'm making this video, right, to let you people know, right, if you do not want raiders in your server, the extra protection to have is basically go to your server settings, go to moderation, and enable this. Most people also registered on Discord for longer than 5 minutes. High or highest, basically I wouldn't recommend, but medium or low would be the best thing to choose. I'll say medium because I have medium on. It's just the best protection to have against raiders, because then most raiders you have, there's gonna be less amount of raiders. That's just the simple part of it. I don't know if this is how people do. Maybe people just mass buy accounts and then just put a script on it, but this is how easy you can basically do. Boom, I'm gonna do it again. Log out. I forgot to actually log in and delete the account. I'm just delete the account. Look, I'm in the account. I'm using somebody's email. Boom, boom. Done. Deleted. If I can actually get my password right. Done. Oh no, my other account got banned as well. Oh, never mind. Let's just switch to Russian servers quickly. Go down here. Just go to a new webpage. I'm just gonna do it so it clears my cache and my cookies. And then go to register. Partner one down here. I buried this email. It's also taken. Put a different username, password, and then just do this. There we are. Boom, easy as that. And I'm in somebody else's account. The thing is, you might actually also see this kind of screen, right? Something's going on here. Video text is something. Oh, then we're going to this code. We need to verify your account. You can easily bypass this as well. You can basically go out of here, right? Go to a different browser where your cache, your cookies, everything is just, different. Get another VPN and then done. Instantly, right? You bypassed it. So yeah, I'm only making this video to just to have my opinion on the sign-up verification. I want a sign-up verification to have an instant verification process, not one that takes over 24 hours. Because, well, it's easy to bypass it. Well, your account gets locked, your account gets deleted. Well, guess what? You can just create a new account under a different IP address. Boom, done. Hardware lock doesn't really matter. They don't really do these things. They only just ban you from your IP, and you can just easily change your IP. Done. Basically, this is how it should be. This is spigot.mc, right? Spigotmc.org, right? This is a plugin. Basically, if you're into Minecraft, you know what this is. I can basically go to sign up, right? Get my name, for example, Cyberwolf, right? Email. I can basically get it to, I don't know, have it to this email over here. Password. Get it to this password. This is what I'm saying about an amazing, right, verification process, right? I'm on Spigot, right? This is not even a multi-millionaire company, right? I don't even know how much this is worth, but it's way smaller than Discord. And it still somehow does better with new accounts. Yes, I might be logged in, I might be using someone else's email, but look, I have no privileges, I have no permissions to actually, message, do anything. Yes, I can go to wikis. Yes, I can do that. It's not really a great example because you can still basically download most of the plugins, because this is basically a free website. You don't always have to sign in to actually download things, but there are some plugins you need to. But that's what I mean. Yes, this might be a bad example, but they still kind of do better than Discord in some ways, because right, you are locked away from basically making any forums, any of that stuff. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't know if you did, because it's kind of boring video, but anyways, if you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and adios amigos, I am out of here.